All about Symbian and mobile industry review.
My name is Sebastian Brannstrom. I'm a release manager here at the Symbian Foundation. So I work sort of at the tail of the whole development process for Symbian. We, in the delivery team with the release managers, we work with the release council trying to provide information for them so they can make sound decisions on whether to release a new platform, at which stage to do it, how far along we are with the deliveries, what quality the platform is at any point in time. Right now I use the Nokia 5800. A favorite application would be Spotify, I would say. So we don't actually write much code at all here at Symbian. We don't have hired developers to do that. So what happens is that we get contributions from our community. They commit code via the package owners and the committers that have access rights to commit code to the Symbian code lines. And then we have a team in the delivery team here that integrates the code, compiles it, and then we have a test team that tests the code to make sure that the quality is high enough for a release. Producing the PDK is the most important part of the delivery team. So we produce a PDK approximately every 2 weeks with all the latest code changes that have come over the last 2 weeks. The PDKs are available for download from our developer website. There's always the latest PDK and also older ones if you need to work with a specific version. So now that we're open source finally, we can accept contributions from pretty much anybody, individuals, companies, whoever in our community wants to contribute to the source code is perfectly able to do so. And we really look forward to see more contributions from individuals. It doesn't really change how we integrate and test the platform. It will probably change the nature of work for the package owners, who are going to have to work with many more individuals and more companies. But from the integration and testing point of view, things should be pretty much the same. It's been a problem the last few months that we haven't been open enough to be able to accept contributions from many people who have wanted to contribute. And now I really think we are going to see a large number of external contributions coming in. Here at the foundation we're toying around with all kinds of ideas. One idea we had was to build a Steam-powered phone based on a Steam engine. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it's one idea that we're looking at right now. That's actually how I got into Symbian development in the first place. I was writing a podcasting application for the now defunct UIQ version of Symbian, mostly so I could listen to all about Symbian. A partner of mine who was working on the podcasting project with me, because that was open source too, now his company EmbedDev have taken over the development of this podcasting application, and they have contributed to Symbian. I really enjoy working for an open source foundation. It allows us to be very transparent in how we're doing things. It allows us a great degree of interaction with other open source communities and companies, and we're trying to learn a lot from them. It's one of the many community things we're trying at Symbian is something we call the Symbian Stammtisch. It's a German word which means the regulars table, and you're going to find it in many German beer halls. So what we're doing is we go into a pub regularly every 2 weeks right now here in London, and we sit down and we discuss topics around Symbian and try to collect insightful comments and good ideas and try to act on them. And lately, in the last few weeks now, we've seen some other Stammtisch come up in other countries. We have one in Helsinki coming up, we have one in Kuala Lumpur, and we have one in Vienna, all about Symbian.
All about Symbian and mobile industry review.